Evoto AI versus Luminar Neo. Choosing the right AI photo editor can transform your photo editing workflow without complex manual adjustments. Both offer powerful AI tools, but their approaches and features cater to different creative needs. Evoto AI and Luminar Neo are advanced AI-powered photo editors designed to simplify editing. Evoto AI focuses on automation and AI-driven enhancements, while Luminar Neo combines AI with creative control for detailed artistic edits. Evoto AI is a cloud-based AI photo editor that leverages advanced machine learning to automate most editing tasks. It works by analyzing your photos and applying intelligent enhancements such as exposure correction, color balancing, and object removal with minimal user input. Its strength lies in speed and ease of use, making it ideal for users who want quick, professional-looking results without spending hours fine-tuning settings. Evoto AI excels in batch processing, allowing photographers to edit large collections efficiently. However, its automation focus means less granular control over individual edits, which might limit creative flexibility for advanced users. It's best suited for photographers, content creators, and social media managers who need fast, consistent edits with minimal effort. Evoto AI integrates seamlessly with cloud workflows, enabling editing from anywhere without heavy software installations, but it requires a stable internet connection for optimal performance. Luminar Neo is a desktop photo editor that combines AI-powered tools with manual creative controls. It uses AI to assist with tasks like sky replacement, portrait retouching, and structure enhancement, while also offering layers, masks, and extensive adjustment sliders for detailed customization. Luminar Neo's strength is its balance between automation and artistic freedom, allowing users to refine AI-generated edits or create complex compositions. It supports RAW files and integrates well with popular photo management software, making it a favorite among professional photographers and enthusiasts. Limitations include a steeper learning curve compared to fully automated editors and the need for a capable computer to handle its processing demands. Luminar Neo is ideal for users who want AI to speed up routine edits but still desire hands-on control to craft unique looks. Its one-time purchase or subscription model offers flexibility, and offline editing ensures privacy and uninterrupted workflow. Evoto AI and Luminar Neo serve different editing styles. Evoto AI is perfect for quick, automated enhancements and batch processing, saving time for users who prioritize efficiency over detailed control. Luminar Neo, on the other hand, provides a hybrid approach with AI tools that support creative editing, ideal for photographers who want to fine-tune every aspect of their images. While Evoto AI excels in cloud-based accessibility and minimal manual input, Luminar Neo requires local installation and more user involvement but offers richer features like layers and masks. For example, a social media manager needing fast edits would benefit from Evoto AI, whereas a professional photographer aiming for artistic precision would prefer Luminar Neo. Choosing between them depends on whether speed or creative flexibility is your priority. Evoto AI is recommended for users seeking fast, automated photo editing with cloud convenience, especially when processing large volumes with minimal manual effort. Luminar Neo is ideal for those who want AI-powered assistance combined with full creative control, perfect for detailed artistic photo editing. Both tools excel in their domains, so select based on whether you value speed or customization most in your workflow.